Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a new traveler's notebook, I guess. This is the Heidi Swapp memory planner. And this was actually on clearance at Joann. And because I love anything and all things holographic, I had to pick it up. It was, I think it was like 40% off or something like that. But anyways, it is a personal size, looks like, traveler's notebook. It's called a, well, she has it listed as a journal here, and I'm trying not to get too much of the glare. But it says journal, and let's take a look at the back. This is a memory planner. Now, I don't have too much of Heidi Swapp's stuff. I do buy a few things here and there, but I'm not really like a big, Heidi Swapp person. I don't really consume a lot of, her products that much. I mean, not that I have anything against them, but I think her stuff seems to be more scrapbook kind of related and not really planning related, although I know she is kind of moving towards having more planner related items and things. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this and see what it is all about. I think I may have to get some scissors here. Okay. Oh, it's nice. It's really, really thin. Actually, way thinner than I thought it would be. And it's almost just like, oh, it's just, this literally feels like a piece of cloth. You can see it's lined with felt on the inside. This is really, really flimsy. In the back, you have a full-size pocket here. And then the journal is on the inside. So let's take a look at that. Okay, I see why this was on clearance. So you do get a personal size journal in here. It's got the holes, which is really unfortunate because, if you're going to put it in a traveler's notebook, why not make it traveler's notebook friendly? And then it's just a plain paper insert. And, okay, the paper's nice. It's really actually a thick quality paper. Okay. But I have to say I'm really disappointed in the quality of this notebook, or this traveler's notebook cover. I mean, it's really flimsy, guys, and I'm not even exaggerating. Like, it feels literally like a piece of cloth, and it's very lightweight and flimsy. Okay, that's disappointing. That's really disappointing, but it's okay. I can probably make it work. I'm sure I can find a use for it somewhere, somehow. So you get one cover and one notebook, and yeah, okay, that's it. Sorry guys, I thought this was going to be a little bit more interesting than what it turned out to be. But as you can see, like I said, I see why this is on clearance. Looks like it's got a single strand, and then the strand here. So anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I will probably use it for something. What? I don't know. But that is it. Sorry, this wasn't a much more interesting or exciting unboxing, but I did want to share it with you guys in case maybe you saw something like this on clearance at your Joann store. And oh, I'm not sure if I showed the back, but the elastic closure comes through the back. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay. All right, you guys. So if you do have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.